Hello everyone and welcome back. Let's learn this quick 10-minute Rava Dosa recipe. For this, take 3 cups of rice flour in a vessel. Add half a cup chiroti rava and half a cup of maida. Add 2 tablespoons of besan and 1 tablespoon rock salt. Add little chopped coriander. Add around 5 to 6 glasses of water approximately to make thin batter. Mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon of jeera. Give it a good mix and the consistency should be like this. Heat the tawa and rub with a piece of onion or potato. Now, onto this, pour the batter to form a thin layer. Once this is done, add some oil on the edge of the dosa. Cover it while it cooks. Roast till golden brown. Now take it out and you can serve with chutney or tomato curry. Tasty and delicious dosa ready in just 10 minutes. Thanks for watching.